whether Krea AI is safe to use, so make sure to watch till the end. Krea AI is a generative AI platform that helps users create and enhance images and videos using AI-powered tools. In terms of safety, Krea AI has received positive trust ratings from independent sources indicating that it is not a scam. It also uses SSL encryption to keep user data secure during use. For content safety, Krea AI includes a built-in NSFW filter which helps detect and block inappropriate content, making it safer for a broader audience. Most users report that the platform is useful and creative, especially for image and video generation. However, there have been some complaints regarding customer support and billing, so it's good to exercise caution and read user reviews before upgrading to a paid plan. Overall, it appears safer for most users, especially if you stick to its free or basic features. Just be mindful of the support limitations if you plan on using premium service. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.